Greetings and a warm welcome to this YouTube channel.
Today we will talk about timelessness and the human perception.
Time is a fundamental concept that permeates our existence, but our perception of it is surprisingly changeable and subjective.
In this video, we will explore the complex facets of time, such as its elasticity
and its influence on our perception of the world.
We will discover how time can seem to speed up or slow down depending on circumstances and how different cultures and historical eras have influenced our understanding of time.
Get ready for an intriguing journey through time and the human mind, which will lead us to challenge our beliefs about the nature of time and explore how this perception influences our daily lives. Humans experience time as a linear progression, a sequence of events moving from the past, through the present, and into the future. This perception is rooted in our biological makeup, our internal clocks that regulate sleep, hunger, and hormonal cycles. These rhythms are synchronized with the environment, anchoring us firmly in the temporal world. Timelessness, in stark contrast, implies a state of permanence. It is the quality of existing forever, unmarked by beginning or end, change or decay. Timelessness is often associated with the divine, the universe, and the fundamental laws of physics. It's a quality ascribed to the soul, to certain works of art, and to the deep constants of nature. Different cultures have different interpretations of timelessness. In many Eastern philosophies, time is cyclical, not linear, and the ultimate goal of life is to escape the cycle of birth and death, reaching a state of timelessness. In Western thought, timelessness is often the realm of the religious or the metaphysical, a space where the soul exists beyond the physical lifespan. Throughout history, humanity has strived for a sense of timelessness, aspiring to leave a lasting legacy that extends beyond our finite existence. This yearning is vividly evident in our construction of monuments, creation of literature, and production of art. We engage in these creative endeavors with the hope that our contributions will endure, reflecting a profound desire to touch the eternal and transcend the boundaries of time.
Art, in particular, embodies the pursuit of timelessness. Remarkable artworks possess a quality that defies the constraints of time, resonating with universal human experiences and emotions. They transcend the era of their creation, connecting with future generations and diverse cultures, forging an enduring link with the timeless aspects of the human condition. Memory, too, intersects with the realms of the temporal and timeless. Our memories are not confined to the present moment. They possess the unique ability to transport us back to the past. In this act of recollection, a sense of timelessness emerges, allowing us to relive past experiences, emotions, and connections that have faded from our current temporal reality. In this intricate interplay between memory and the present, we find another avenue through which the human experience touches upon the timeless, perpetuating our connection with moments and sentiments that transcend the constraints of time. The human perception of time is far from a constant, and it can often be an illusion. Time appears to speed up when we are engrossed in enjoyable activities, while it drags during periods of boredom or suffering. This subjective experience underscores that our perception of time is not a mere reflection of the steady tick of the clock. It can be stretched or compressed, influenced by our mental and emotional states. From a scientific perspective, our universe challenges the notion of time as an absolute entity. Einstein's theory of relativity posits that time is not an independent variable but rather intertwined with the very fabric of space itself. It suggests that at the speed of light, time theoretically comes to a standstill, a concept that profoundly challenges our conventional understanding of time. Before continuing with the video, I remind you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, so you don't miss our videos. The human yearning for eternity is often manifested in our discomfort with the inevitability of our mortality. We embark on endeavors in the hope that they will outlive us, whether through our children, our creative work, or the lasting impact we have on others. This profound longing reflects an intrinsic desire to be a part of something enduring, something timeless that transcends the finite nature of our individual existence. It's an attempt to bridge the gap between our subjective experience of time and the deeper, more elusive concept of timelessness that beckons us to leave our mark on the ever-flowing river of existence. Meditation and specific spiritual practices aim to guide individuals towards a state of timelessness. In deep meditation, practitioners may lose the sense of time passing, accessing a state of consciousness that feels eternal and boundless,
transcending the ordinary constraints of temporal awareness.
Nature, too, provides glimpses into the realm of timelessness.
The stars that have shone for countless millennia, the enduring mountains that have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, and the timeless oceans that have ebbed and flowed through the ages all evoke a sense of continuity and permanence in a world characterized by ceaseless change. These natural wonders serve as a reminder that there exist elements in our universe that have endured for millennia, long before our presence and likely long after our time. Our ever-advancing technology might give the illusion of mastering time, providing fast travel, instant communication, and unlimited access to information. However, this perceived mastery of time is ultimately an illusion. Technology can transform our experience of time's passage, but it cannot bestow timelessness upon us. The fundamental nature of time remains immutable, and while our inventions may alter our perception of it, they cannot make us truly timeless beings. Timelessness isn't solely confined to grandiose notions but can also be discovered in the mundane moments of our daily lives. In those instances of profound connection, love, and understanding, time seems to stand still, granting us a fleeting glimpse of the eternal. These experiences transcend the ordinary, creating an impression that, for a brief moment, we have touched something timeless and beyond the grasp of the clock. Timelessness paradoxically coexists with the temporal nature of our existence. While we can conceptualize eternity and aspire to create or experience something timeless, we remain bound by the relentless passage of time. Our lives are lived within the confines of time, and though we may envision timelessness, we cannot fully inhabit it. The notion of timelessness can serve as a guiding principle for our existence. By striving to create, savor, and appreciate what holds enduring value, we can lead more enriched and purposeful lives. This perspective encourages us to focus on things that possess lasting significance, shifting our attention from the fleeting present to the enduring legacy we wish to create. In doing so, we can aspire to make our lives more meaningful and impactful, leaving a timeless imprint on the ever-evolving tapestry of existence. Timelessness and human perception are in a constant dance. We are bound by time, yet we reach for the eternal. We experience the world in moments, yet we seek to understand and connect with the timeless. This pursuit shapes our lives, our societies, and our legacies. It drives us to create, to remember, to love, and to live with a sense of something larger than ourselves. While we may never fully grasp timelessness, our efforts to touch it are perhaps what give our lives the most profound meaning. We'd love to know what you think. Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We thank you for watching.